Hello all, welcome to Value Trace channel. In the initial time, let me update you that yes, I have purchased a new mic for YouTube, dedicated to YouTube, and let me know how, because few people have commented in the YouTube and they have personally reached me out saying that my voice was a bit low. So I have purchased a new mic. Let me know in the comment section if my voice is much better now and has improved. So yeah, now let's move on to the charts. Here you can see that first let's see the things at a monthly level, as the way that always we maintain this protocol, that we start from month, eventually go to week, and then finalize the things at day level. Okay, so let's start with month. Now as you can see, at a month there is a structure that is broken, or you can understand the resistance happens to be at 23,250. Okay, the reason being is, you can see it, that even for the month of May, you can, this is a monthly level candle, right? So even for the month of the May, this can act as a potential resistance, because the 1 and the 2 are already placed, and probably it might come out even on the month of May to this level. So there is every possibility for the market to come to 23,250 even by the month of May. So that has to be first understood and has to be negotiated, and should be kept in mind before you actually move further. Now, after we have seen the monthly level, let's see the weekly level. Even in the weekly level, that is the reason for which I have written as 23,250. Okay, so for this 250 to be achieved, for the existing trend line, which happens to be this one is done here and 2 is done here. If you actually observe, when can it potentially come to 23,250? It is likely to come on 12th of May. So till 12th of May, there is every possibility that it can come to 23,250. So this much is understood. So at a monthly level, yes, 23,250 is alive even for the month of May. And even at a weekly level, it is showing me that it can come to 23,250 by 12th of May. So this has to be understood before we actually jump into the day level. So remember the level, this is happens to be a very crucial level. At any given point of time, if the markets breaks 23,250 and settles above it, probably I'll give it a lenience of say like 5 to 10, 50 to 70 points. And if the market is closing at 300, yes, the entire structure is collapsed, be it at a week level or be it at a month level, and a new structure will be developed, and that has to be drawn. And once that is drawn, I will update you with the same. Till then, yes, I am only looking out for the opportunities on a bearish view. So as that the things are set now, let me come with a go to the day level. Let me take you to the day level. Okay, so here, as far as the day level is concerned, already as that the market is at 22,828, and as per the way that the market is showing now, for this moment, the gift nifty, it is appearing that the market can easily have a gap up of 300 points. Okay, so now there is a trend line that is coming over here, which has made already its two highs, and there are two established lows. Probably this entire week, before I actually move further, I want to uh, tell you my opinion about this week. In all likeliness, mostly it is appearing that this week expiry might remain sideways and might end within a range. So this is my expectation for this week expiry. Though it might actually be ending within a range, but still that range could be huge. Okay. Now let me show you what things can be expected. Why things can be a bit turbulent this week, and why it might not really go anywhere and tend to remain sideways. Here you can see that it has to be Tuesday, because though it is actually showing as at a chart level at the beneath, you can observe that it is Monday, but it is actually Tuesday. It will get updated. So the next candle, the day level candle that is likely to form on Tuesday, has a range of this much. So this is a range with which the market can operate on a Tuesday. Okay, so now if all goes well and if the market doesn't open beyond 23,033, yes, I will look out for a PE opportunity. Okay, trying to capture this move. If that is not the case, if suddenly the market opens with anything more than 23,000, let's suppose that the market opens at 23,100, then one has to understand that this line is taken out. You know, this the upper side of the trend line is taken out, and now that will be formed. Let me change. Yes. So if the market opens at 23,100, I should be probably taking it here. Yes. So this is a new trend line that will be formed. So, and even after forming this new trend line, one has to understand that there are only 1 and 2 that is made and 3 is yet to be made, right? So 1 and 2 are here made and 3 is yet to be made. So that is the reason for which market can be a bit dicey for this week, and it is likely to expire within this range. If that is not the case, okay, let's suppose say that if it doesn't break this one and the market tends to open only with this much of a gap up and market starts coming down, yes, then we can think of making the positions on PE side, and I can think of taking the trades further onto the bearish view. Okay, so even if that happens, let's suppose say that as that this is Tuesday, now next candle would be Wednesday and the next candle would be Thursday. So this is likely to be the expiry day. So on that given expiry day, okay, sorry, I have received a call. Here, if this level is respected and if the market starts coming down from here, okay, and then I can think of assume safely that 1 and 2 are made and 3 is made on the Tuesday, and assuming this, yes, further trade can be initiated. But the problem with this is, even if Tuesday comes out with this candle, Wednesday and Thursday, if you actually move to the Thursday, the support that turns out to be comes somewhere here, which is at 22,700. So the market is highly unlikely to go less than 22,700 even for this expiry. So for this expiry, if I have to roughly talk, this is the range that I am expecting, which actually coincides with the 250 as we have seen in the monthly level as well and weekly level as well, right? So this is the range at which the market can expire. So I'm not expecting the market to go anything less than 22,700, even though I might take a position here on this particular Tuesday. So I cannot be really expecting the market to be breaking this low going further, at least for this week expiry. They are likely to manage the index and make it sideways. As at there is a huge range that is developed, they are likely to keep within a sideways and then end it somewhere within, and the index will be managed probably on this Thursday, and they will be ending it somewhere between 23,200 to 23,000. So this is likely to be the range that is the market might be, the index might be managed for this expiry, and then on Friday we might again start seeing a fall that is coming by. So keeping all this in an understanding, I just wanted to update you this, that for this week expiry, probably on Wednesday or Thursday we might get an opportunity. Till Wednesday or Thursday doesn't come out, there is not much of an opportunity that is available in the market. Okay, yes, if it comes here and opens and starts seeing a rejection from here, as that this is the third touch, I will be taking up a position. But once it reaches here 23,000, I will be taking up a position on not this week expiry, but rather I would like to have it on 22,500 PE of 30th April. So further I will be showing you and sharing you that chart as well now. So what are the prices at which I'm likely to take it. But once I pick it, I have to understand that these are the certain things and context that I have to keep in mind, that even if it sees a rejection from here, it is unlikely to break this and further can move again 23,000 to 250. So whatever the position that I have made here for the month of 22,500 PE April, I am likely to see a loss again on this because the market can potentially go here. Okay, so the prices and the hedging have to be done for this week expiry to avoid this scenario. But still, why is that I'm picking up 22,500? Because if the market in a scenario wherein it makes the third touch here and then goes, and let's suppose say that it breaks this 22,700 and starts traveling further down, in such scenario I need to be having a position. So for such scenario, I will be picking up 22,500, keeping in my understanding that it can further give me a loss by going to 23,250 as well. So I hope I'm clear with this. Now let me go to the option premium chart so that things become a bit easier for you. So this is 22,500 PE chart of 30th April, right? You can see it very clearly here. Now I am interested to buy it as that there has been an established range that is accumulated over here. I will be interested to purchase somewhere at the price of 100, having the targets of minimum 500. Okay, somewhere between 480 to 500, probably I'll start booking my profit. So this is the expectation that I have on 22,500. And as I have already spoken in my on the index chart, that it might come back again and this might show me the loss, but still, yes, I'm okay with it. Even after picking up 100, if it comes back and does the bottom fishing and tries picking up somewhere at the price of 50, I will be taking up one more lot here. So one position will be created at 100 rupees and the second position will be created at the price of 50 rupees. And together, yes, I will be booking my profits accordingly, wherein I might let go of one lot here and then I will be booking the next profit of the second lot, second one over here somewhere at 500, 480 to 500. So this is how I have planned, and I would like to stay away from this week expiry, which is 17th of April. Okay, even on 17th of April, if I have to really make any position, only on the third touch after it happens and the confirmation comes out at an index chart, only then I will be picking up the positions on 22,500, sorry, on 23,000 or 23,100 for 17th April. Otherwise, I am not interested. So this is it for this video, and hope you guys have liked it. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any further doubts and if you need any further clarifications about the same. Let me know. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.